In this video, I'll show you the new wallpaper apps of Jan 2021 that are really worthy and still has less downloads. So let's see the fifth app on the list. So the fifth app is Lit Walls. See, here you get tons of good looking wallpapers. See, as you can see. You can also upload the wallpapers. See, here you get option for uploading. But for that we have to sign in the app. Here you get some ads. For ad-free experience, you have to buy the premium membership. By clicking a certain wallpaper, you can download, apply, crop. In crop you can also blur the wallpaper. See, as you can see. And also add the wallpaper to favorites. Here you also get the live wallpaper. See, like Among Us. As you can see. Cyberpunk, Asus wallpapers, Iron Man. See, as you can see. Then you get the random section. Here you get the random wallpapers of all categories. Then you get trending wallpapers. Then you can also choose the category for wallpaper as premium, live wallpaper, abstract, AMOLED, animals, anime, then architecture, beaches, bikes, cartoon, car, city, city street, dope, forest, game, girl, gradient, illustration, celebrities, minimal, movies, nature, religious, road, sky, stock, superhero, technology, notch wallpaper, lock screen wallpaper, typography and extra wallpapers. So you get many categories. In this you can also choose the wallpaper for certain brands. See, as you can see, Apple, Asus, Oppo, Vivo, etc. So the fourth app on the list is Prism. See, in Prism you get many good looking wallpapers. See, here you also can search the wallpaper. See, you can also search it. Then in plus icon you can also upload the wallpapers. See, it says by signing in you get the ability to favorite wallpapers, ability to upload wallpapers, to upload setups, to buy a premium membership, and ability to cloud sync the data. Then here you also get the setups. You can also choose and apply the full setup. And in home you also get collection. See, minimal, community, stock, abstract, AMOLED, illustration, gradient, and many more. See, there are just tons of collections. And you also get the categories. See, community, popular, cyberpunk, artwork, nature, 4K. See, you get many categories. Then you can choose the wallpaper and apply it. By clicking the wallpaper, you get options like, you get download the wallpaper. Then you can choose the wallpaper for home screen and lock screen or both. Then you can favorite the wallpaper. You can share the wallpaper. So you can share it. And you can also edit the wallpaper. See, it's loading. So you can edit the wallpaper here. At the top you get the trending wallpaper, featured wallpaper, most loved wallpaper, popular, etc. So the third app on the list is Phone Walls. See, in Phone Walls, as the name says, you get wallpaper of certain brands. See, Realme, Micromax, MI, Vivo. You get tons of wallpaper of certain brands. See, in category you can choose the wallpaper for certain brands. So you get many brands. And you can also add a wallpaper to favorites. So the second app on the list is Elegant Wallpapers. Here you get tons of good looking wallpaper. By clicking a wallpaper you get info. So you can check the name, colors, etc. Then you can save the wallpaper, apply and add to favorites. Then here you get collections. It is city, automobile, unsplash, animals, AMOLED, anime, sea, abstract, nature, architecture, miscellaneous, games, movies, popular, then Apple, pattern, space, community, and you also get the wallpaper of custom rooms. See if you are a fan of custom rooms like me, you can apply the wallpaper of custom rooms, and you can also add the wallpaper to favorites. And the final app, that is number 1 app, is Walls Candy. See, you will get tons of good looking wallpaper. See, as you can see, and you don't get any ad. It's totally ad free. And you can choose the category. There's abstract, AMOLED, anime, animal, art, building, car, cityscape, and fantasy, flowers, games, light, love, minimal, motorcycle, nature, others, people, sport, space, technology, vehicle, etc. You get tons of categories. And in the random, you get random wallpapers and featured. I guess you get the popular wallpapers in feature section. Then here in the options, you get popular wallpapers. Then you also get notch wallpapers. And you also get the lock screen wallpapers. By clicking a wallpaper, you get options like applying the wallpaper, downloading it, and add to favorites. And the app is totally ad free. So these are the top 5 apps of wallpaper of Jan 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in the next one.
This is for your own good.
What just happened?